Lean and push at the same time. You ready, Cannon? Keep kicking up. Ready? Come on, you can do it! You can do it!
Woo! What goodness.
Don't blow your watch.
Keep going.
Give the ball, your turn.
Hold on to you so we don't get stuck.
Keep going, Face.
Dude, you guys are gonna get this. Keep going. Slow and steady. Small, strong steps. You guys aren't even tired because you guys are gonna get freaking money and you're gonna be able to buy something. A bottle of water. I'm gonna give you that for free. Okay, come on, guys. You're almost there. You're almost there.
My arm hurts.
Come on, guys. It'll only take you a second to recover from this. You just gotta make it right past you. Please. Oh. You're almost there. You're almost there. You're almost there. No. You're almost there.
Keep going.
You get past this second sidewalk. You got it. Come on, guys. Come on. Don't let it stop. It's going to be very quick. $25 to spend on whatever you want. Come on, guys. Oh my God, you guys got this. Make it really heavy. Oh, that's a good goal. Come on.
Woo!
Here we go, guys. Almost there. Not do ya? Come on. Right there, we're almost there.
Better.
Good job. Come on. Woo! Oh, thank you. Oh my God, you guys
Hey,
freaking
Tanner. Mark it somewhere, dude. Are they? Hey.
That's the last
Tanner.
team.
They just got it, dude.
That's right.
They did.